count A counts the number of rows in a specified column with special consideration to Boolean values of true and false. The syntax will be count A followed by the column, and this is going to return a whole number. Count A function in DAX is like someone looking at attendance. Did someone arrive? Did they not? Give me the count of those values. So in one example here, I've got books checked out, right? If I know, hey, true, that book has been checked out, give me a count of those true or false values. And there's a couple of ways that we can expand on this, but again, it's an A function. It's focused in on those true and false categories. Let's go ahead and build it. All right, so I'm here at count A. On count A, what I'm going to do is make a new measure, and we're going to count the number of the values that have those true falses. So I'm going to say count A sales. And we are going to count up our dim product that have that finished goods flag. So we're going to see how many have that finished goods flag. So we're counting out those values there. I'm going to take count A, bring it in to my table, bring it in to my cart. So I have 606 total here. So I'm looking at finished good flags is false, color black. I've got yellow true with 46. It's counting up those values. Let's do a little bit of checking here, right? Gray with a finished good flag true, only one carrying that over. That is actually pretty interesting. So to check this out, let's go over to the table view, head over to dim product, and let's do a little bit of filtering here. First off, let's go to color. We're looking for just the gray value. And here we go, color, gray, finished goods, true. We can see this one instance, and that's what it's counted. So if I go back to my report view, I can double check gray, true. Hey, there's only one along those lines. So it's really giving me a count of the colors, basing it on the true and false of the finished goods flag. Pretty niche, right? You really need the Boolean values, and could you get away with using some other functions with count? Potentially here, but count A gives us a count based on that finished goods flag. If I were to take out color here, let's take a peek at the result there. Now I see a different story, right? I'm not breaking that down. I'm looking at how many were false, how many were true. That is where count A shines for those values. So now I know, hey, how are we doing? If it was attendance, we got a lot of people attending, that's true, or we don't, and we can get a really good count.